Hey there, I get this question all the time. Why can't I get good sleep even when I'm exhausted? Well, here's something that might surprise you. In traditional Chinese Feng Shui, how you place your bed affects much more than just the comfort. It shapes the flow of qi, the vital life energy that influences your health, your relationships, even your fortune. Today, I want to share some real Feng Shui principles that have been passed down through generations. These aren't just the decoration tips. They are real wisdom from the I Ching and the Taoist tradition. First thing, and it's crucial, your bed needs what we call a modern backing. That means a solid wall behind your headboard, not a window, not a door, but a solid wall. Think about it this way. When you sleep, your spirit is at its most vulnerable. You need that symbolic mountain behind you for protection and stability. I've seen people transform their sleep just by moving their bed against a solid wall. Now about the windows. People often get confused here. Large windows aren't automatically bad. They can bring in beautiful young energy during the day. But if your bed is directly under a big window or perfectly aligned with it, that's a different story. This energy escapes too quickly. You end up with restless sleep because there's no containment. So enjoy that natural light, but don't let your bed sit directly under or in line with a large openings. Young energy is active, bright, social. That's perfect for your living room. But your bedroom, that's where you restore, where you recharge. At night especially, let your bedroom embrace its in nature, soft lightning, calm energy. This isn't just about the mood, it's about aligning with natural circle of the energy that Chinese medicine understood for thousands of years. Give your bedroom to breathe, even if your space is small. Try to leave some open area around your bed, at least 2 feet, if possible. It's not just about working space, it's creating pathways for qi to flow smoothly. And here's a big one, avoid what we call door rushing or menchong. That's when your bed directly faces the bedroom door. All that energy comes rushing straight at you while you are trying to rest. If you can't move the bed, at least angle it slightly so the energy flows in more gently. Your headboard matters too. Get something solid, substantial, no gaps, no openings. Think of it as your energetic anchor. It connects you firmly to that protective wall behind you. In almost every consultation, I see the same issues. Mirrors facing the bed, terrible for sleep. Mirrors bounce energy around when you need calm. If you must have a mirror in bedroom, cover it at night or angle it away from the bed. Overhead bins or big light fixtures right above where you sleep. That creates oppressive energy. We call this bin placing, and it can affect both your health and your peace of mind. Electronics everywhere, phones charging on the nightstands, TV in front of the bed. All that electromagnetic energy is disruptive. Keep electronics away from your sleeping area. And clutter, especially under the bed. That stagnant energy affects everything, your health, your relationships, your overall luck. Your bedroom color should support rest. Think soft, muted tones, gentle blues, warm cream, soft pinks. Avoid anything too stimulating or too dark and distressing. Same with decoration, sharp, pointed objects create what we call cutting energy. Keep decoration soft, rounded, peaceful. A small plant can be wonderful for air purification. Something like a snake plant or golden pothos. But skip anything with thorns or spiky leaves. Authentic Feng Shui isn't about following rigid rules. It's about understanding energy and creating harmony. The I Ching teaches us that everything is about balance and flow. If you can manage it, having matching nightstands on both sides of your bed create beautiful symmetry. If your bedroom share a wall with the bathroom, keep the bedroom door closed and the space well ventilated. Most importantly, pay attention to how your space feels. Feng Shui principles work because they align with how energy naturally moves. If something feels off, trust that instinct. The goal isn't perfection, it's creating a space that truly supports your rest and restoration. When your bedroom aligns with these ancient principles, you are not just improving your sleep, you are supporting your overall life force, your relationships, your ability to thrive. Try one or two of these adjustments and see how you feel. Your body and spirit will tell you when things are in better harmony. What changes are you planning to make in your bedroom? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing about your Feng Shui journey. And if you want more authentic Feng Shui wisdom, make sure to subscribe. There's so much more to explore from these timeless traditions.